तो आज की वीडियो में हम बताएंगे आपको एक नए स्कैम के बारे में जो कि काफ़ी ट्रेंड में है। तो इस तरह की स्कैम कॉल्स किसी भी इंडियन को आ सकती हैं जो कि अपनी कंट्री से बाहर रहता है। तो अगर आप आउट ऑफ इंडिया रहते हो तो आपके पास भी इस तरह की कॉल आ सकती है और आपको थोड़ा इनसे अवेयर रहने की ज़रूरत है। तो इस तरह की कॉल हमारे पास एक साल के अंदर दूसरी बार आई और इस बार हमने सोचा कि चलो इससे थोड़े मज़े लिए जाएं और हमने सोचा कि इससे थोड़ी इन्फॉर्मेशन निकालते हैं और बाद में हमने इसको कन्फ्रंट करने की कोशिश भी करी। तो कॉल में होता ये है कि ये लोग ऐसा आपको बिलीव करवाते हैं कि ये इंडियन हाई कमीशन से बोल रहे हैं। ये जो स्कैमर्स हैं ये आपको गवर्नमेंट ऑफिशियल्स बन के कॉल करते हैं। और इस बार ऐसा हुआ कि हमारे पास इन्होंने जब फ़ोन किया तो इन्होंने बोला कि ये लोग इंडियन हाई कमीशन मॉरिशस से बोल रहे हैं। आई डोंट नो ये क्या सॉफ्टवेयर यूज़ करते हैं। तो जो आपकी ऑफिशियल एजेंसी है गवर्नमेंट की आपकी कंट्री में उसी का नंबर आपको डिस्प्ले होता है। तो शायद कोई ना कोई वीपीएन यूज़ करते होंगे। आई डोंट नो क्या टेक्नोलॉजी है बैकएंड में, बट आपको यकीन दिलवाने के लिए स्कैमर्स आपको बोलेंगे कि आप जाओ अपने मोबाइल या लैपटॉप पे और आप जाके उस ऑफिशियल वेबसाइट को चेक करो और ये लोग आपको बोलेंगे कि आप नंबर वेरीफाई करो ताकि आपको यकीन हो जाए कि ये लोग जेन्युइन लोग हैं और यहीं से आपको फ़ोन आ रहा है और जेन्युइन एजेंसी आपको कॉल कर रही है। उसके बाद ये अलावा आपको बोलेंगे कि आप जब अपनी कंट्री इंडिया से दूसरी कंट्री में आए तो आपने इमिग्रेशन पे कोई फॉर्म होता है वो भरते समय आपने कोई गलती कर दी और आपने अपनी डेट ऑफ बर्थ गलत भर दी है। तो उस इन्फॉर्मेशन की गलती की वजह से आपके खिलाफ एक इंडिया में केस रजिस्टर हो गया है, जो कि बहुत ही वियर्ड रीज़न है। मेरे को समझ में नहीं आता ये क्या स्ट्रैटेजी यूज़ करते हैं और कौन से बहाने लेके आते हैं। तो उस हिसाब से आपको बताएंगे कि आप जब अपनी कंट्री से इमिग्रेशन करके वापस आ रहे थे तो आपने एक फॉर्म भरा, उसमें अपनी डेट ऑफ बर्थ आपने गलत भर दी, जिसके अगेंस्ट में आपके खिलाफ इंडियन हाई कमीशन इंडिया न्यू दिल्ली में आपके खिलाफ एक केस रजिस्टर हो गया है। तो जब इंसान सुनता है कि केस रजिस्टर हो गया और ऐसा ऐसा हो गया तो थोड़ा सा इंसान को लगता है कि यार क्या ऐसा क्या कर दिया मैंने, ऐसा कौन सा केस रजिस्टर हो गया। थोड़ा इंसान घबरा जाता है अगर पहली बार इस तरह की स्कैम कॉल आए। तो उसके बाद ये लोग आपको बोलेंगे कि आपके पास दो ही ऑप्शन है, या तो आप वापस इंडिया डिपोर्ट हो जाओ और न्यू दिल्ली में जो इनका ऑफिस है जो ये बताते हैं कहाँ पर है वहाँ पर जाकर केस सेटलमेंट करो और सारी फॉर्मेलिटीज़ पूरी करो। दूसरा ऑप्शन आपको ये बताएंगे कि आप इंडिया अगर नहीं जा सकते वापस तो आपको ये लोग फिर एक अलग प्रोसीजर बताते हैं जिसमें ये लोग आपसे पैसों की डिमांड करते हैं। और सबसे फ़नी बात ये है कि ये लोग जब भी पैसों की डिमांड करेंगे तो ये आपको यकीन दिलवाएंगे कि हम आपसे आपकी बैंक डिटेल नहीं मांगेंगे, आपसे कोई ओटीपी नहीं मांगेंगे। आपको जो मनी है जो ये लोगों को सेंड करना है वो किसी भी इंटरनेशनल मनी ट्रांसफ़र के जरिए आप सेंड कर सकते हो, जैसे कि वेस्टर्न यूनियन हो गया। तो कितने कमाल की बात है कि गवर्नमेंट एजेंसी पैसा ट्रांसफ़र करवा रही है वो भी वेस्टर्न यूनियन से। तो यहीं पे आपको इनको समझ आना चाहिए कि ये लोग फेक लोग हैं और ऐसी कॉल को आपको कभी भी रिस्पॉन्ड नहीं करना चाहिए। और अगर आपको थोड़ा सा भी कंसर्न होता है तो आप अपने रेस्पेक्टिव हाई कमीशन जो भी आपकी कंट्री का है वहाँ पे आप कॉल करके वेरीफाई कर सकते हो और इनके खिलाफ आप कंप्लेन भी कर सकते हो। तो इसी तरह से हमने भी कुछ करने की कोशिश करी है और इन स्कैमर्स का जब हमारे पास कॉल आया तो हमने उसको रिकॉर्ड किया और लास्ट में हमने उसको कन्फ्रंट करने की कोशिश करी। फिर वो कॉल छोड़ के भाग गया ऑब्वियसली। सीधा हमारी वीडियो पे जाओ और देखो हमारी कन्वर्सेशन कैसी है और शायद आपको थोड़ी इन्फॉर्मेशन मिले। तो यही मैसेज है कि ऐसी स्कैम कॉल से दूर रहो। जब भी ऐसी कॉल आपके पास आए तो घबराने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है, ये सब फेक कॉल होती हैं। तो ठीक है, आप वीडियो एंजॉय करो।
Then there will be one verification process which you have to complete.
Okay, what it
And
is?
after completing after completing that verification process, you can stay here.
Okay.
As previous time, your verification got declined from the Mauritius High Commission, Italy, India.
Uh-huh.
So for that reason, there will be one verification process done once again on your name from the Mauritius High Commission, Italy, India, from your country.
Okay.
And there are two options for you by which you can complete your verification process.
Okay.
The first option is that in order to complete your verification process, you have to travel back to your country, India.
Yeah.
After going back to India, you have to go to the Mauritius High Commission, New Delhi, India.
Okay.
And in the High Commission, you have to submit your documents for re-verification. You have to submit copy of your passport, visa, and date of birth.
Okay.
And you also have to pay the verification charges.
Okay. How much
Once
it
you
is?
will pay the charges, I will let you know, don't worry.
Okay.
Once you pay the charges there, then the officers will verify your document and close the file.
Okay.
And then you can come down to our country with all the paperwork. And you need to submit all the paperwork in the Indian embassy here. So that is the first option.
Okay.
Yeah, there will be one second option as well. The second option is that if you are facing any problem by going back to your country, India, to close the case, then you can also close your case from Mauritius,
Mhm.
from here.
Mm-hmm.
So in order to close the case from Mauritius, you have to close your case on a live recording conversation.
Okay.
So I just let you know Niku, that it's a live recording conversation going on,
Oh,
which
okay.
we are doing with you.
Mm-hmm.
Whatever conversation which we are doing with you,
Mm-hmm.
every conversation is getting recorded.
Okay.
So if you want, you can close the case from here on the live recording.
Okay. That's the only option I
Yeah.
have. I cannot flew back to India, right? So.
Okay, no worries. Now what happened on the live recording conversation, we will take your live recording conversation in your voice. Okay, we will record one statement from your side that it just a mistake happened from your side with your identification.
Okay.
We will transfer that recorded statement back to Mauritius High Commission in Delhi, India, in order to get a clarification done on your name.
Mm-hmm.
Okay,
Mm-hmm.
we will give you all the case details and whatever charge you have to pay for verification. We will let you know.
Okay.
You can pay the charges from here.
Mm-hmm.
Once you will pay the charges, then from the Mauritius High Commission in Delhi, India, the officer will cross-check the information sent by us
Okay.
and close the file.
Okay.
After the file is closed, you will get all the paperwork. So
Okay.
our officer, Indian Embassy officer, will visit your place on Monday.
Mm-hmm.
When the officer will come your place, they will check your passport,
Mm-hmm.
okay,
Mm-hmm.
or any ID proof of Mauritius government,
Okay.
and they will give you all the case closing paperwork on Monday.
Okay.
And after the paperwork is completed, whatever charges you have to pay for verification, that charges will be refunded back to you from the
Okay.
officers on Monday.
Okay.
Yeah.
So how do I?
So now could you let me know?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
tell
sir.
us. Go ahead.
So how do I pay
Now, first
for the
of all-
second option?
Look, ma'am, I will educate you each and everything. You don't have to worry for
Okay,
everything.
okay,
You don't
okay.
have to give any kind of banking details or card details from your end. So
Okay.
don't worry for that, okay?
Okay, sir. Okay.
Yeah. So how do you want to close the case? By going back to India or from here?
No, that's not an option for me. The second one, I'll pay on call.
The second one. Oh, perfect. Yeah. And where you are right now? Are you at your home or at your workplace?
No, I'm at home.
At home. Okay. Do you have your ID proof with you, like your passport or any ID proof from the Mauritius government?
Right now, I don't have with me right now the passport. Like it should be. I think you're calling. You should have the
Okay.
passport.
Okay, no worries. Okay, now look, as right now we are doing a live recording conversation with you for closing the case.
Mm-hmm.
So you have to be on the line with me till the case is closed. So you don't have to disconnect the line from your end.
Okay.
And if in the case line got disconnected because of any network problem, you don't have to worry. I will give you a call back once again. You have to receive the call.
Okay.
Yeah. And Nipur, are you able to see the number on your phone screen, the number from which you received the call?
Yes, sir. It's a Mauritian number.
Or could you read out that number?
Yeah, it's +230-460-6600.
Perfect. Yeah. Do you have internet access in your home?
Yes, I have that.
Okay. Now you can do what you can first of all open the website of the Indian Embassy in Mauritius.
Okay, let me check this. Just a minute.
Yeah. And you can and cross check the number from which you received the call.
Okay, Indian Embassy, Mauritius, right?
Right.
Okay.
The website which it is hcimauritius.gov.in.
Sorry, sir. Can you repeat it, please?
I repeat the website. It is H for hot. It www.
Okay.
H for hotel, C for Charlie, I for Indiana,
Okay.
Mauritius
Okay.
.gov
Dot.
.in. Yeah. So once you search, you will see the page of the High Commission of India,
Yes.
Port Louis, Mauritius.
Yes.
Right?
Yeah.
Now you have to scroll down that page, okay? At the bottom of that page, you will see the address of the High Commission of India, okay, of the Cyber City,
Yes, sir.
and you will see the telephone number, right, which
Yeah.
is 23046066600.
Yeah, it's the same
Now
number.
you can do the same number, perfect.
Yes.
Now we will go ahead, okay, and we will try to close the case from here, okay.
Okay.
Sure.
Okay, sir.
Now we will start verifying the things, okay?
Okay, sir.
So you confirm me your complete name from your side. And now look, Nepal, whatever conversation which we are doing with you, every conversation is getting recorded
Yeah.
in
Okay.
your voice, okay?
Okay.
And it will be transferred back to the Mauritius High Commission. Now, could you write down the reference number for your case?
Yes. Reference number. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. Reference number for your case is MU and for mother, U for uniform,
Okay. MU
4826
48 26
42.
42. Okay.
Yes. Now, could you confirm once again the reference number for your case?
It's MU 482642.
That's right. Okay.
Yes.
And now, could you write down the live recording conversation number for the case? Yeah. The live recording conversation number for the case is HCI, H for hotel, C for Charlie, I for Indiana, 48
48
26
26
42.
42.
Yes. So confirm once again from your side.
So HCI 482642.
That's right. Now, could you write down the solicitor name
Yeah.
for the case file?
Okay.
Currently, you are here in Mauritius, right?
Yes. Yes, in Mauritius only.
And you're closing the case from here, okay?
Okay.
Which is running on your name in Mauritius High Commission in Delhi, India.
Okay.
So, in order to help you from this problem, Mauritius High Commission in Delhi, India, they hired solicitor on your case file. So that solicitor is a government officer of Mauritius High Commission, New Delhi, India. Okay? So write down the solicitor's name.
Yeah, tell me please.
Yeah. So solicitor name is Mr. Rohit Singh. I spell that name for you. It's R for Romeo,
Okay.
O for Oscar,
Yes.
H for Hotel, I for Indiana,
Yeah.
T for Tango.
Yeah.
Now write down the last name, Singh, S for Singapore,
Yes.
I for Indiana,
Yes.
N for Nancy,
Yeah.
G for Germany,
Yes.
H for Hotel.
Yeah, it's Mr. Rohit Singh. Yes, correct.
So perfect. Now I will let you know, Mr. Nupur, that how much amount you need to pay
Yes, sir. How
for
much?
verification charges.
Okay. Sir.
Okay,
Yeah.
and then you can pay the charges from here.
Yes.
After paying the charges for Mauritius High Commission from here,
Yes.
we will send all the information back to Mauritius High Commission in Delhi, India.
Okay.
They will cross-check the information sent by you, and they will close the case file there. Okay.
Okay. Okay, sir.
After the case, after the case is closed, you will get all the paperwork here.
Yeah.
So our officer will come down your place, and they will give you all the case closing paperwork
Okay,
on
sir.
Monday.
Okay. Okay.
And and once all the paperwork is completed, whatever charges you have to pay for verification, that charges will be refunded back to you
Okay.
on Monday by the
On
officers.
on the spot, it will be refunded, or it will gonna take time.
No, ma'am. When the officer come in place, that charges will be immediately refunded back to you with all
Okay.
the
Okay.
paperwork.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Now stay on the line, okay?
Yes.
I will first let you know how much amount you need to pay.
Yes. Please.
Yeah. So the amount, I believe the charges which you have to pay for a case file is around it will be in Mauritius rupee.
Yes.
Okay. And I believe that will be around 29,000 Mauritius rupee. I can do one thing for you. Okay? I can just transfer this call to the accounts department. Okay.
Yeah.
And he will educate you how you need to pay the charges from Mauritius. Okay.
Okay.
For a case file.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. So stay on the line.
Yes. Sir, can I have your name, please? Because I think I.
Yes. Yeah. No, why not? Okay. My name is Daniel.
Daniel.
Wilson. You can call me Daniel.
Okay.
Yeah. And the officer which will handle your case file, okay, from the account department,
Mm-hmm.
the name is Mr. George Matthew.
George Matthew.
Yeah, you're right. And he will educate you how you need to pay the charges from there,
Okay, okay, sir.
So stay on the line.
Okay, sir.
Hello, Kilo 20. This is George Matthew from the Immigration Department of Mauritius. How are you? Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm good, sir. How are you?
Hello. I'm fine. Thanks for asking, dear. I believe you're talking to one of the senior immigration officers relates to immigration. And this is the monitored and recorded call with the government of India.
Mm-hmm.
And Mauritius are monitoring this line in regards to immigration.
Mm-hmm.
You opted, I can see here, the second option. You want to close this case from Mauritius itself.
Yes, correct, sir. Correct.
On the live legal recorded conversation, correct?
Yes, sir. Correct.
Perfect. Now stay online. We are processing your file, and make sure this is the first and last time you're helping India. Don't do such kind of mistake from the next time.
Yes, sure, sir. I'll take care of it.
Now there will be 4 procedures to be completed.
Mm-hmm.
The first process where we will complete your re-verification and documentation. Okay.
Okay.
Where Mr. Rohit Singh is a lawyer under the guidelines of Supreme Court of India, New Delhi, with the High Commissioners. Okay.
Yeah.
Mr. Rohit Singh.
Yes.
Okay. And did the previous officer explain to you whatever charges you have to pay today by
Yeah.
utilizing one of the overseas money transfer is refundable?
Yes. He informed me it is refundable. Yes, he informed me.
Perfect. One more important thing, the government call will never ask you to do any kind of online transactions, okay? That means you don't have to do any kind of online transfers, okay? Neither you have to come down to any websites to make any payments, okay? Now you don't have to transfer any funds to one account to another account.
Okay, sir.
Neither I want to your debit card details or card details or any banking online user ID or passport, or neither we will be requiring any of your OTP or financial credentials, correct?
Correct.
It should be the confidential payment, all right?
Okay,
So
sir.
your amount, the case is in India, not in Mauritius, right?
Yes.
So we have to get a clearance from India, not from Mauritius, okay?
Okay.
The government of India, once they validate the thing, then they will transfer the papers to the Mauritius government, and the officers will come down to your doorstep on Monday, and they will hand over the paperwork and the refundable amount.
Oh, okay, sir. Okay.
Perfect. So the first step is your re-verification and documentation, Mr. Rohit Singh.
Yes.
The amount is, just online, is 29,100 MUR.
29,100. Okay.
Okay?
Yes, sir. Okay.
Including all the transaction charges.
Okay, sir. So how do I
Right
pay
now-
this payment?
I'll let you know.
Okay, sir.
Write it down. First of all, the next one is the next one will be your visa stamping and case closing.
Okay.
Visa stamping and case closing.
Yes, sir.
There will be 4 procedures, okay? The first one is the re-verification and documentation,
Okay.
and the next is the visa stamping and case closing. So write down the another officer name,
GH.
Manishankar Singh.
Okay, correct, sir. Correct.
Okay.
Yeah.
And the amount will be 29,000 MUR.
So 2 amounts I have to pay.
Yes, and that will be including transaction charges. So if you calculate, total will be 29,100 plus 29,000.
Okay.
Is a total of 58,100 MUR.
Okay.
Mauritian rupee.
So it will be like one transaction, or it will be in 2 transactions?
Two transactions there,
Okay.
because there will be 2 different departments. in
Okay,
India,
sir.
right?
Okay.
So
Okay.
total will be 58,100 MUR. Now, first of all, confirm me, do you have 8,100 MUR in a cash, or would you like to withdraw it from the bank to process the fine from Mauritius on the live legal recording conversation due to COVID-19 pandemic situation?
No, sir. I don't have cash right now.
So you need to withdraw it from the
Yes,
bank.
correct. I don't have.
Perfect. So first of all, could you confirm me how far is your bank from your residence?
5 to 6 kilometers?
Right. Do you have your own transport?
No,
to
sir. I have to
your
take
bank?
public transport. No.
You need to take a public transport.
Correct.
Okay. Did the previous officer also explain to you one thing, like if you opt the first option, inside the embassy room in New Delhi, the High Commissioner's office, you need to do all the procedures alone. That means you're not allowed to take inside your family member, spouse, or any of the family inside the embassy counter, right? Due to immigration procedure is always be a confidential process. So you need to do each and everything by yourself.
Yes, but
without anybody else.
yes, but I don't have this kind of money, so I have to ask somebody to, like, I will lend on. They can lend on some money
No.
to me.
You're not getting the point. You're
Yeah.
not getting the point. Okay. What I'm trying to explain you that if you're closing the case from Mauritius, even here also you have to do each and everything by yourself. That means you're not allowed to put this call you're not allowed to disclose anything about your personal, financial,
Okay.
or confidential things about immigration with any third party disclosure till the Indian embassy officer will hand over all your case closing paperwork.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Correct?
Yeah, correct.
Perfect. So, just now you've recorded that you need to withdraw the amount from the bank, right?
Yes.
So, do one thing, get ready for yourself, get your original passport. Okay, you have your original passport. You have your visa with you, right?
Sir,
And what do you have an address proof of Mauritius on your name?
okay. No, but sir, before getting ready for that, I want to know how I'm gonna pay this. Like,
Okay, by utilizing one of the overseas money transfers.
okay, and which one it will be?
Like any Western Union, okay, Ria Money Services or Express Money, which helps you out to transfer the money to one country to another country without disclosing any of your personal financial credentials or by utilizing any third-party accounts details. Because you don't have to transfer any funds to anywhere, right? Just being as a security deposit, you will be getting a valid transaction receipt. Once the officer will visit to your doorstep, you have to hand over the receipt on Monday to the Indian embassy officials.
Okay,
Clear?
okay, super. I don't have other two options, so I'll go for Western
Clear?
Union. That only option I have.
Hello?
Hello? Hello, you can hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
So only Western Union transfer option I have. Other two option I don't have.
No, because you don't have to transfer any funds from one account to another account, utilizing any bank accounts, okay? You don't have to come up on a website to make any payments. Everything you have to do physically.
Yeah. Okay, sir. That's what I'm saying. But because here in Mauritius, when you go to office, you cannot talk on phone. You cannot use phone. So you have to provide me the details beforehand so that I can
You're not
use.
getting the point. You see, this is a live legal recorded conversation going on, okay? We are not allowed to discontinue the line till your case will be closed back from India.
Sir, but it's not possible here in Mauritius to use phone in banks, in any of the banks. So do you have any other option
You
for
can
that?
keep your cell phone. I'm not asking you to continuously talking over a phone. You're getting a point. You can keep your cell phone in a bag or with you itself. You're not asking you. Everything should be in the live legal recorded conversation. And if you're not being comfortable, I suggest you to travel back to India and close this case, right? We are not here to force you to complete the procedures from here itself.
Okay.
What we require, you're getting the point.
So
But if you need to close this case from Mauritius, you need to follow all the instructions.
So in order to transfer, so my question is, in order to transfer, I will need some information where I'm gonna do this transaction, right?
Ma'am, you need to make the payments right to Mr. Rohit Singh and to Mr. Manishankar Singh, New Delhi, India.
So is there some reference number, because I have never used Western Union services?
See, that's the reason I will be there online with you to complete all the formalities with you so that you won't conduct any kind of mistakes regards to your payment. Then they will give you two different receipts. You need to take the receipt. You have to keep it with you. Then on Monday, when the Indian embassy officials will visit your doorstep, they will be requiring your payment receipt. You have to hand over the payment receipt to the Indian embassy officials. Getting the point?
So
Yes.
okay, so you're calling from which country, sir?
Mauritius?
Mauritius. So, and you are residing in which state in Mauritius?
See, this is the personal information, ma'am. Okay.
No, no, no.
Getting
I'm sorry. No, no, no. So you're not
Indian
get.
Embassy
Wait,
Mauritius.
sir. You're not getting my point. I'm asking your office address because this is obviously government office, right? So I can have the office address. So it's in Port Louis.
Yeah, Cyber City. Cyber City. The Cyber City. Plot number 65C, Cyber City, Mauritius.
So is it okay if I'll come and see you there? It's very
Absolutely, we don't have any issues on that.
okay, sir. So give me like 5 minutes. I'll be there because it's walking distance from my home.
Sure, no issues. It will be taking 5 minutes. Then what? Don't disconnect the line. I'll be there online with you. Come to Indian Embassy.
Okay, okay. So this is
Sure.
okay. So, and I ask for
Sure.
George Matthew, right?
Absolutely, you ask for George Matthew,
Mhm,
okay?
mhm.
And they will be asking you to go to meet with Miss Sanjala Ballari, and we will be taking all your details, and we will be taking all the
Sure.
formalities to report back to India. And just come down to Indian Embassy, I'm there online with you.
Yeah. I'm now okay to deport back. Okay.
Sure, no issues.
Yeah, because sir, at least you find some new excuse. No, this is the second time getting this call, and the same mistake I did in my date of birth. At least find new. How you are cheating people? Hello.
तो अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो यार तो जाओ लाइक करो, सब्सक्राइब करो, शेयर करो और सावधान रहो। अगर आप इंडिया से बाहर हो तो ऐसी फेक कॉल पे रिस्पॉन्ड मत करो। और मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि कहीं ना कहीं यार ये लोग इतनी कॉल कर रहे हैं तो कहीं ना कहीं इनको बेनिफिट हो रहा है, तो लोग इनके स्कैम के चक्कर में पड़ रहे हैं।